everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this Iron Gym pull-up bar. So this goes in your doorway and you don't have to use any screws, so there's no damage to your door or to your molding or anything like that. Also means that it's portable, so if you want to take it maybe to your office or somewhere else on vacation, anything like that, super easy that way. It is made of really heavy duty steel. It's not too heavy that it's going to pull on your doorways, but it is heavy enough to hold a grown person really well. It holds up to 350 pounds. The handles themselves are foam grip, so they're really easy to hold. They're not going to hurt your hands and you're not going to slip off. It has multiple different grips. You can do a closed grip on the inside here. You can do a wide grip out here, and then it does have these tricep grips right here. So you can work a lot of different areas of either your arms or your back or your shoulders, just depending on what you want to do. My husband absolutely loves this. It's been his favorite one. He's had a couple others that were kind of flimsy and just didn't do the job as well as he wanted it to. This has held up great. It still looks great. He can move it from one room to another really, really easily. And I love that I don't have any screw holes in my door frames or walls. So really, really a great product if you are wanting something to maybe work your upper body. I think this would be a perfect choice. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.